In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Forms, how to create group forms. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to place your form in the right group, and how collaboration works so your team can build and manage it together with confidence. First, open your browser and go to forms.office.com, then sign in with the account you use for your organization. If you have access to Microsoft 365 groups or teams, that same account should show the groups you're a member of. Signing in ensures your forms are saved to the right place and that your group permissions carry over automatically. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms homepage, scroll down to the very bottom to find the section labeled My Groups. This area lists all the groups you belong to that can host collaborative forms. If you don't immediately see My Groups, give the page a moment to load and keep scrolling. If nothing appears, it may mean you're not a member of any Microsoft 365 groups yet, in which case you'll need to be added to one before you can create a group form. Next, select the group where you want your new form or quiz to live. Clicking the group takes you into that group's workspace. A quick tip here: creating your form inside the group from the start is the best way to ensure the group, not just you, owns the form. Group ownership means the form remains accessible to your teammates, even if someone changes roles or leaves the organization. Inside the group workspace, choose New Group Form. If you're building an assessment with points and correct answers, click the arrow and pick New Group Quiz instead. Forms are great for surveys and registrations, while quizzes add grading features. As soon as you make your choice, you'll land in the form builder where you can add a title, description, and questions. Take a moment to name your form clearly so teammates can recognize it later. From here, collaboration is built in. The form is now accessible and editable by all group members, so anyone in the group can add or modify questions, adjust settings, and view responses. Edits save automatically, and you'll see changes reflected as teammates work. When you're ready to collect responses, use the share options to generate a link with the right audience and privacy settings for your organization. That's all it takes. Sign in to Microsoft Forms, head to My Groups at the bottom, open the group you want, select New Group Form or the quiz option, and start building together. Keep your form inside the group, and your team will always have shared access to create, maintain, and review results seamlessly.